very, very important. Let us be like other cities in the country, like Enugu, like Aba, like Abuja. So everybody is making use of traffic lights. So seeing it in a boy is things of gladness.
Hey guys, I said, are you guys even ready for me this 2024? Like, are you ready? Because we are moving on a very fast lane. If you are not ready, please get ready. No time. You see this year, no grief for anybody. Fasten your seatbelt. It's about to get lit. Like it's about to get dirty on this channel. Updates back to back. If you have not subscribed, oh yeah, hit the subscribe button now and the bell beside you. You turn it on so that any update I drop, you'll be the first to get the notification. That may be Madam Sabi, the one and only. So let's go right into today's video, guys. Yes, so our air condition traffic light is back in Ebonyi State, guys, and the joy of resident of Ebonyi State, you could see the joy on their faces. We had lots of them to interview, so we're going to be letting you know what's up at the Udensi roundabout, and of course our air condition traffic light. So we are going to be letting you know what's up at the roundabout. So this is also going to be an update of what Udensi roundabout looks like in 2024. So fasten your seatbelt. You are going to enjoy this video. We had lots of people to interview. Okay, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy it. Yes, this year I told you we came prepared. Now this is what the Udensi roundabout looks like, and this is the traffic light. I told you that we are going to be discussing with people. Look at how organized this place looks like now, and remember it is still undergoing construction. So what do you think about this place at the moment? Before we go deep into the street light, what do you think about the Udensi roundabout? Okay, the landscaping and every other thing. How do you see it? Is it beautiful or is it not beautiful? Whatever you think about it, can you kindly drop it in the comment section? Let's see your thoughts, or let's share your thoughts about the Udensi roundabout. Currently this is what it looks like. Okay, so and we are going to be talking with lots of people about the traffic light, and of course the Udensi roundabout. Okay, this is the state of the Udensi roundabout as at today. So let's just continue while I take you around before we get to where we are going to be speaking with motorists and commuters that are applying this road. Just relax.
Prince it's a very nice one. At least with this, the rate at which people have accepted that this particular report has been minimized. So I think His Excellency has done marvelously well. When the runabout, you can see it's still under construction, but I'm certain it will, at the end of the day, give our state a more beautiful face. Yes. And the work is ongoing now, so I believe with short time it will be completed. To all Ebonyans, just as myself is proud of His Excellency, I want every one of us to be proud of His Excellency. He has changed our face and all that. So we're happy. We're happy. I'm Chief Charles now. It has a lot of benefits because it helps us to control traffic in this place. With these traffic lights, you don't need to have yellow fevers or police control this place. All of us are literate enough. You can read it. So it's very important. Let us be like other cities in the country, like Enugu, like Aba, like Abuja. So everybody is making use of traffic lights. So seeing it in a boy is still of gladness. It's okay, they're fantastic. The work is still ongoing. The work is ongoing. So when they finish the work, you can see there's a mark for lights. The work is ongoing. The governor is working. He's a very gentleman and he's a good governor. I used to appreciate him and keep following him. Give him time, you will understand, and it work fine.
So my people, have you enjoyed watching today's video? If you did enjoy the video, please kindly leave me a heart in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. And if you have not subscribed, like I always sing this like song, please, I beg you, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is absolutely free. The bell icon beside it, turn it on so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to get it. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.